Hey there, cheese enthusiasts! Nancy here, from Candy Mountain Goat Farm in beautiful Murphy, North Carolina. We're nestled in the heart of the Appalachian Mountains, where our happy goats graze on lush pastures and provide us with the freshest, most delicious milk imaginable. Here at Candy Mountain, we're passionate about sharing the joys of goat cheese with the world. From creamy chèvre to tangy feta, goat cheese offers a diverse range of flavors and textures that can elevate any dish. But how can we transform humble goat milk into these culinary masterpieces? Come along as we demystify the cheese-making process and even try our hand at a beginner-friendly recipe. Get ready to discover the magic of goat cheese. Before we dive into the cheesy goodness, I'd love to hear from you. Have you ever wondered what makes goat cheese so special? Are you curious about our goats' daily routines? Drop your goat-related questions in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer them in an upcoming video. We love connecting with fellow cheese lovers and sharing our passion for all things goats. Now, let's get down to the art of cheese-making, shall we? Transforming fresh goat milk into delicious cheese is a fascinating process that involves a few key steps. Each step is crucial in developing the unique flavors and textures that make goat cheese so special. First, we gently heat the milk to a specific temperature. This careful heating ensures that the milk is at the perfect state for the next steps, preserving its natural qualities while preparing it for transformation. Then we add a special ingredient called a starter culture, which contains good bacteria that help the milk ferment and develop its characteristic tangy flavor. This culture is essential as it kickstarts the fermentation process, laying the foundation for the cheese's taste. Once the culture has worked its magic, we add rennet, an enzyme that causes the milk to coagulate and separate into curds and whey. This separation is a pivotal moment in cheesemaking, as it transforms the liquid milk into solid curds. The curds, which will eventually become our cheese, are then carefully cut, stirred, and heated to remove excess moisture. This step is delicate and requires precision to ensure the right texture and consistency. The final steps involve shaping, salting, and aging the cheese to achieve the desired texture and flavor profile. Shaping gives the cheese its form, salting enhances its taste, and aging allows the flavors to mature and deepen over time. It's a labor of love, but the results are well worth the effort. Each wheel of cheese is a testament to the dedication and skill of the cheesemakers, bringing joy to those who savor its rich, complex flavors. Did you know that goat milk can be used to make a wide variety of cheeses? From soft, spreadable chèvre to firm, aged cheddar, the possibilities are endless. Some popular types of goat cheese include chèvre, a soft, tangy cheese that's perfect for spreading on crackers or using in dips and sauces. Feta, a crumbly, salty cheese that's often used in salads, pastries, and Mediterranean dishes. Boucheron, a semi-soft cheese with a mild, slightly sweet flavor. Tome, a firm cheese with a nutty, earthy flavor. With so many delicious options to choose from, there's a goat cheese out there for every palate. Section 5. Crafting your own chèvre, a beginner's delight. Welcome to the wonderful world of cheesemaking, where you can transform simple ingredients into delicious creations. Ready to try your hand at cheesemaking? It's a rewarding and fun process that anyone can enjoy, even if you're a complete novice. Chèvre is a great cheese for beginners because it's relatively simple to make and doesn't require any special equipment. Plus, its creamy texture and tangy flavor make it a favorite among cheese lovers. Here's a basic recipe to get you started. Gather your ingredients and let's dive into the process. 1 gallon fresh goat milk, not ultra-pasteurized. The quality of the milk is crucial, so make sure it's fresh and of good quality. 1/4 teaspoon mesophilic cheese culture. 1/4 teaspoon liquid rennet. 1 teaspoon kosher salt. These ingredients will help transform the milk into delicious chèvre. First, heat the goat milk to 86 degrees Fahrenheit in a large pot. Use a thermometer to ensure accuracy, as the right temperature is key to successful cheesemaking. Then, sprinkle the cheese culture over the milk and let it sit for 5 minutes. This step allows the culture to rehydrate and begin working its magic. Next, stir the milk gently for 1 minute. Gentle stirring ensures the culture is evenly distributed throughout the milk. After that, add the liquid rennet and stir for 30 seconds. Rennet helps the milk coagulate, forming curds and whey. Cover the pot and let the milk sit undisturbed for 12 to 24 hours. This long rest period allows the curds to form properly, Now line a colander with cheesecloth and place it over a large bowl. The cheesecloth will help strain the curds from the whey. Pour the curdled milk into the colander and let it drain for 24 hours. This step is crucial for achieving the right texture. Once the cheese has drained, transfer it to a bowl and sprinkle with salt. Salt not only enhances the flavor, but also helps preserve the cheese. Mix well and pack the cheese into a container. Make sure it's well packed to avoid air pockets, which can affect the texture. Finally, refrigerate for at least 24 hours before serving. This resting period allows the flavors to develop fully. Enjoy your homemade Chev with crackers, fruit, or your favorite bread. It's a delightful treat that you can proudly share with family and friends. Happy cheesemaking! Section 7. Plan your getaway to Candy Mountain. Dreaming of a peaceful escape surrounded by nature and adorable goats? Imagine waking up to the gentle bleats of goats and the fresh mountain air filling your lungs. Make Candy Mountain Goat Farm your next getaway destination. Here, you can unwind and reconnect with nature in a serene and picturesque setting. We offer a variety of inexpensive lodging options to suit most travelers' needs. Whether you prefer the comfort of our tiny guest home or camping under the stars in a tent or RV, we got you covered. Find us on Airbnb for our adorable tiny guest home nestled right on our picturesque farm. The tiny home overlooks the goats and chickens, so our guests can watch the antics of our sweet and silly goats. Guests are also able to play and spend as much time as they would like with our goats when they stay with us. It will be an unforgettable and unique getaway. For a truly unique experience, learn the art of cheesemaking and join our cheesemaking classes, which will be listed on Airbnb Experiences starting in April 2025. Prefer a more rustic adventure? Embrace the simplicity of camping and immerse yourself in the natural beauty of our farm. We also offer campsites through Hip Camp, where you can pitch a tent under the stars and wake up to the sounds of nature. It's the perfect way to disconnect from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. No matter how you choose to experience Candy Mountain, we guarantee lasting memories. Come for the goats, stay for the tranquility, and leave with unforgettable memories. Twix and I want to thank you for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed learning about our beloved goats and the many experiences awaiting you here. If you're as passionate about goats and homesteading as we are, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. By subscribing, you'll stay updated with more tips, tricks, and heartwarming stories from the farm. Plus, you'll be the first to know about our new videos featuring goat care, cheese-making tutorials, and behind-the-scenes looks at life on Candy Mountain. Your support helps us continue sharing the joys of goat farming and homesteading with the world. So, hit that subscribe button and join our growing community of goat enthusiasts and nature lovers. Thank you, and we can't wait to welcome you to Candy Mountain Goat Farm soon.